This year, the committee received many excellent nominations for Athena, but one candidate in particular exemplified the Athena spirit and captured the committee's interest. The 2010, getting choked up, Athena winner is here in the room with us. This person is a boss, a mother, a wife, a daughter, an innovator, a community leader, a founder, a partner, a board member, an advisor, a friend, a motivator, a mentor, and a visionary. This year's winner demonstrates the most distinguishing Athena characteristic, and that's the third criteria, as someone who actively assists women in reaching their leadership potential. In fact, she hits that criteria out of the ballpark. In the words of a colleague, she is the go-to person if you want honest, straightforward advice and to be asked questions that encourage you to think beyond where you think you want to be. She gets to the heart of the issue by good listening skills and her ability to grasp the situation. She wants you to be successful and freely offers her help and connections to help you succeed. She sees potential in everyone and is able to help the individual see possibilities. That is what leadership is all about. I know without her advice and support, I would not have experienced the success I've been able to achieve. In the words of another colleague, she is a leader's leader. She inspires excellence in others by her example of innovation, respect, thoroughness, and thriftiness. She has high expectations that push others to excel both personally and professionally. Her fingerprints are throughout the community, and she has contributed in many ways to the success that Charlottesville frequently celebrates. This year's recipient also enjoys a high level of dedication and affection from her employees. She has provided flexible hours and working arrangements to female employees who were re-entering the workforce after having children, and she supports a compassionate, positive organizational environment, allowing women to balance children, family, and the jobs they want to retain and grow in. This year's Athena also exemplifies the second criteria, that of being a person who betters the quality of life for others in our community. Our recipient has served on the board of directors of the Chamber of Commerce and as its chair. She is an active Rotarian and has served on the board of the trustees of the Miller School. She plays an active part in evolving several key chamber programs and is a member and leader in her church. Finally, this year's Athena is the icon of the first criteria, professional leadership in our community. Among her accomplishments, in 1991, long before some of us even had email, she initiated a partnership with GE Fanuc, Centel, and Computerland to establish the first ever free email link from Charlottesville to Iraq to facilitate communication between family members here and military personnel in Iraq serving in Desert Storm. In 1992, she was part of the inaugural Lawrence E. Richardson Day of Caring. In 1996, she initiated the successful effort to bring the Olympic torch to Charlottesville as it ran en route to the Summer Olympics in Atlanta. When a late 1990s study revealed that some 3,000 local children who were eligible for health insurance were not covered and therefore lacked basic medical care, she launched the Success by Six Insurance for Children project using grants from several organizations. By the time the program was turned over to its community medical partners in 2006, more than 3,300 previously uninsured local children had received health coverage. In 2005, she helped found Women United in Philanthropy, which fosters women's philanthropic involvement in addressing the local needs of women and children through collective giving. In 2007, she helped form a partnership between Martha Jefferson Hospital, the Charlottesville Free Clinic, and the Region 10 Community Service Board to launch RX Relief, which is a prescriptive assistance program that helps low-income, uninsured individuals apply to pharmaceutical companies for no-cost medications. In 2008, she expanded an existing program for free tax preparation services by creatively recruiting and hosting an AmeriCorps volunteer in partnership with local agencies here. Last year, that partnership served 870 people, resulting in over $161,000 of savings in taxes and more than $603,000 in tax benefits and almost $1 million in refund to local taxpayers who would not otherwise have been represented in their and their tax prep services. For the past 20 years, she has worked with businesses, community leaders, nonprofits, and volunteers at the Thomas Jefferson Area United Way, and she currently serves as its executive director. I am so excited to announce the Kathy Train Czar Athena 2010 award winner.